Let me share with you how to create a truly magical homemade candy coating for fruit. We are going to make this stunning treat entirely in your microwave, and the process is beautifully simple. The first step is to choose the right tool. A medium-sized microwave-safe glass bowl is perfect for this. Being able to see the syrup clearly is a big help, and glass heats evenly, which is crucial for this recipe. For the candy base, we need 3 tablespoons of white granulated sugar. That is about 36 grams. This sugar is what will transform into that incredible clear hard crack coating we are after. Next, add just 1 tablespoon, which is 50 milliliters of room temperature water to the sugar. This small amount of water is essential. It helps the sugar dissolve evenly and prevents it from burning too quickly in the microwave. Give the sugar and water just a few gentle stirs until the mixture resembles wet sand. We are not trying to dissolve the sugar here, just ensuring every crystal is lightly moistened for even cooking. Place the bowl and cover into your microwave. Set it to cook on high power for 2 minutes. The microwave will rapidly heat the sugar and water, taking it through the stages to a hard cracked syrup. It is important to watch through the window. You will know the syrup is ready when it has stopped bubbling aggressively and has turned completely clear with rapid small bubbles. This means the water has cooked off and we have reached the hard crack stage. While the syrup cooks, ensure your fruit like strawberries or grapes is washed and, most importantly, completely dry. Any water on the fruit will prevent the hard candy shell from sticking properly. Working quickly and carefully, dip each piece of dry fruit into the hard syrup. Swirl it to coat it evenly. Then lift it out and allow any excess syrup to drip back into the bowl. Place it on a parchment lined tray to set. In just a minute or two, the glossy syrup will harden into a beautiful, clear and crisp candy shell. You are left with these gorgeous, professional-looking candy fruits that are far simpler to make than you could ever imagine. The contrast of the sweet shell and the fresh fruit is absolutely perfect.